Why do foods have so many hard-to-pronounce ingredients?
Food labels often list ingredients with long scientific names. Many people wonder why these are included and if they're dangerous. The answer often comes down to the science of making food safe, tasty, and shelf-stable. Let's break down the reasons behind these complex ingredients and what they really mean for your health.
What are these complex ingredients really?
Unpronounceable ingredients are usually additives, preservatives, or flavor enhancers. They can be vitamins, minerals, emulsifiers, or stabilizers. While their names sound complicated, many are derived from natural sources or serve specific roles, like keeping bread soft or preventing spoilage. Recognizing their functions helps to demystify what's actually in your food.
Are all these ingredients necessary?
Not every ingredient is essential, but many serve important purposes. Some keep food fresh longer or improve texture and flavor. Others ensure safety by preventing bacterial growth. While convenience foods may have more additives, many processed foods use them to meet consumers' expectations for taste, appearance, and longevity.
Should you be worried about these ingredients?
Most food additives are tested for safety before being approved for use. Regulatory agencies, like the FDA, set strict limits on how much can be used. For most people, consuming foods with these ingredients occasionally poses little risk. However, if you have allergies or sensitivities, it's wise to read labels and choose foods that suit your needs.
How can you make healthier choices?
Choose whole or minimally processed foods when possible, as these tend to have fewer additives. Reading ingredient labels can help you become familiar with what's in your food. If a long list of unfamiliar names concerns you, opt for simpler alternatives. Remember, not all complex-sounding ingredients are harmful. Understanding their purpose is key.